Hi, I'm Kimber, and I'm here to show you the nucleus of Trust Commerce, TC Vault, a virtual terminal that lets you quickly and securely process transactions with or without a card present. It's perfect for mail and phone orders and retail environments. The TC Vault provides comprehensive transaction and reconciliation support. Issue credits, batch upload, and view reports within a single environment. Transactions can be processed simultaneously on the web and in a retail POS environment through TC Vault. Easy to deploy, convenient, and secure, TC Vault allows you to accept all major payment types with ease. Don't worry about batching out at the end of the day. Trust Commerce automatically settles your transactions daily and provides a report on all funds transferred to your account. Let's run a transaction. First, select the transaction type from the Action drop-down menu. Choosing Sale lets you authorize and capture transactions in a single step. Next, complete the desired fields, as many or as few as you like. Click Send Transaction, and the transaction results appear. It's that simple. Processing, reporting, security, and reconciliation. You can do it all within the TC Vault. Plus, create unlimited user-defined custom fields and reports. Download them to CSV or XML formats or receive them via encrypted email. Your customers depend on your organization to provide a safe transaction environment. The TC Vault is PCI DSS compliant, supports encrypted card readers, TC Smart products, and other innovative secure solutions. There are no lengthy installations, no downloads, and you can access it online from anywhere in the world. Try TC Vault before ever signing a contract. See for yourself.